I feel nervous whenever I try to speak English in front of others.
I understand that feeling, and one way to ease it is by practicing small sentences daily.
I often worry that people will laugh at my mistakes.
Most listeners focus on your message, not the mistakes, so try to remind yourself of that.
I hesitate because I think my accent sounds strange.
Accents show identity and culture so you can embrace it while improving clarity.
I struggle to find the right words quickly.
Expanding vocabulary through reading and listening can help you recall words faster.
I feel embarrassed when I forget a word mid-sentence.
You can pause, smile, and use another simple word to keep the conversation flowing.
I avoid speaking because I fear judgment.
Think of speaking as sharing ideas rather than performing perfectly.
I get anxious before presentations in English.
Preparation with notes and rehearsals can reduce that anxiety.
I feel my grammar is weak.
Focus on communication first, then gradually refine grammar through practice.
I worry that people will not understand me.
Speaking slowly and clearly often makes your message easier to grasp.
I feel shy in group discussions.
Start by contributing one small point, then gradually add more.
I freeze when someone asks me a question in English.
Take a deep breath and give yourself a moment before answering.
I feel pressure to sound fluent like native speakers.
Fluency grows with time, and your unique style of speaking is valuable.
I avoid social events because of language fear.
Joining small gatherings can help you practice in a friendly environment.
I feel nervous when ordering food in English.
Practice those phrases at home until they feel natural.
I get stressed when I cannot pronounce words correctly.
Break words into syllables and repeat them slowly to improve pronunciation.
I feel uncomfortable speaking with strangers in English.
Start with short greetings and gradually extend the conversation.
I worry that people will correct me too often.
Corrections are opportunities to learn, not signs of failure.
I feel insecure about my vocabulary.
Learning 5 new words daily can build confidence steadily.
I avoid phone calls in English.
Prepare common phrases beforehand to make calls smoother.
I feel nervous during interviews in English.
Practice mock interviews with friends to build confidence.
I get anxious when speaking to teachers in English.
Remember, they want to support your learning, not judge you harshly.
I feel stressed when speaking in meetings.
Prepare key points in advance to guide your speech.
I worry about forgetting everything I studied.
Reviewing notes regularly helps keep information fresh.
I feel nervous when speaking to fluent classmates.
Treat it as a chance to learn from their style.
I avoid speaking because I fear making mistakes.
Mistakes are proof that you are learning actively.
I feel shy when introducing myself.
Practice a simple introduction until it feels natural.
I get anxious when asked to explain ideas.
Break ideas into smaller parts to make them easier to share.
I feel nervous when speaking in public places.
Start with short sentences and gradually increase your confidence.
I worry about being compared to others.
Focus on your progress rather than comparisons.
I feel stressed when speaking in exams.
Practice timed speaking exercises to prepare for exam conditions.
I avoid speaking because I feel slow.
Speed improves naturally with practice, so focus on clarity first.
I feel nervous when speaking to foreigners.
Think of it as a cultural exchange rather than a test.
I get anxious when asked to read aloud.
Practice reading short passages daily to build comfort.
I feel insecure when speaking in front of friends.
Friends often support you, so use them as safe practice partners.
I worry about forgetting pronunciation rules.
Listening to native speakers can reinforce correct pronunciation.
I feel nervous when speaking in class.
Raise your hand for small contributions to build confidence gradually.
I avoid speaking because I feel unprepared.
Preparation with notes or keywords can make you feel ready.
I feel stressed when speaking quickly.
Slow down and focus on expressing ideas clearly.
I get anxious when speaking to professionals.
Remember, they value your ideas more than perfect language.
I feel nervous when speaking in debates.
Practice expressing opinions with simple sentences first.
I worry about not sounding smart in English.
Clarity and confidence matter more than complex words.
I feel shy when speaking to new people.
Start with friendly questions to break the ice.
I get anxious when speaking in front of a camera.
Practice recording yourself to get comfortable with the process.
I feel nervous when speaking to large audiences.
Focus on one friendly face to ease the pressure.
I avoid speaking because I feel weak in grammar.
Grammar improves naturally through consistent practice.
I feel insecure when speaking with confident people.
Confidence grows with practice, so keep trying.
I get anxious when speaking without preparation.
Prepare a few phrases to use in unexpected situations.
I feel nervous when speaking in interviews.
Practice common interview questions to build confidence.
I worry about forgetting words during conversations.
Use synonyms or simpler words to keep talking.
I feel shy when speaking to teachers.
Teachers appreciate effort more than perfection.
I get anxious when speaking in exams.
Practice under exam-like conditions to reduce stress.
I feel nervous when speaking to strangers.
Start with greetings and short sentences.
I avoid speaking because I fear mistakes.
Mistakes are natural steps toward improvement.
I feel insecure about my accent.
Accents show identity, so focus on clarity instead.
I get anxious when speaking in meetings.
Prepare notes to guide your speech.
I feel nervous when speaking in public.
Practice small speeches to build confidence.
I worry about being judged.
Most people admire effort, not perfection.
I feel shy when speaking in groups.
Start with small contributions.
I get anxious when speaking quickly.
Slow down and breathe.
I feel nervous when speaking to fluent speakers.
Treat it as a learning opportunity.
I avoid speaking because I feel embarrassed.
Confidence grows with practice.
I feel insecure when speaking in class.
Teachers value participation.
I get anxious when speaking to professionals.
Focus on your ideas.
I feel nervous when speaking in debates.
Practice opinions in simple sentences.
I worry about sounding weak.
Clarity matters more than complexity.
I feel shy when speaking to new people.
Friendly questions help.
I get anxious when speaking in front of a camera.
Record yourself for practice.
I feel nervous when speaking to large audiences.
Focus on one listener.
I avoid speaking because I feel slow.
Speed improves with time.